look at what we got in today. We've got two new products here from Blu Technology, and we're going to do an unboxing of both of them, and then we'll set them up. So let's see what we got here in this first box. First box is a 25-foot stainless steel hose with the Blu Technology quick disconnects. Now, these things are just amazingly heavy, and they're just solid stainless steel and very, very nice. So we're going to hook this one up to our fresh water, and then in this box we have, let's see what we got in this box here. So we got a Blu Technology bag, and let's see what else we got. Yeah, let's see, let's just dump that there. Grab a hold of this, lift the baby up, and I'm gonna set that right there for right now. It looks like we got some material here. I know this is one thing that you don't want to lose. This is just, it goes in there and helps you unscrew your filters when you get it changed. We got nothing there. And what's this little piece here? This is important info on your O-rings and how to set it up. So we'll take a look at that. And then they give you a couple of extra O-rings. So we're gonna put that in there also. That's all that's in this box. So let's take a look at what we got here. So this is the Blu Technology AR3, guys. The AR3. Okay. We have longevity filter. We have your 0.2 micron filter, and then your tasty filter. So these also have the quick disconnects on them already installed, so that's going to be nice. The 25-foot stainless steel hose will come in here. This will go out to the water softener, which isn't here yet, but it should be here on Thursday. So when I get that in, we'll do another unboxing of that one, which could be in the next 5 minutes for you guys. All right, so that's all there is to this. I am going to see what the filters are looking like and see, let's see here. Okay, unscrew the sleeve. Okay, and then we're going to take off this, and you will see this one here is, which one is this one? This one is the tasty. This one's your tasty filter, so this is your last source. So we're going to put this one back in. I don't know which way it goes now. I should have took it off there. And then this is going to go right on top. And seat that. And we'll start the thread process. And make it easier. Sideways. Get that all threaded up in there. Take our little tool here. Alright, sorry about that. Should put that all the way up. You don't have to have this too tight. You just want to make sure that your seal is sealed. And we're gonna check the next one. And let's see what this one's about. And then the longevity filter we're gonna put on, or put back on. Just wanted to take these off just to make sure that the paper and everything was off of them. They were. So basically these units are set and ready to go when you get them. So they are ready to go. Get this gas seat and we are ready to go. We are ready to go. So now all we got to do is go around to the other side, disconnect the previous filter that I have there, and hook up the 25-foot hose. But because this came with a nice bag, let's find out what this bag does. I don't see too many people using it. If you guys are interested in a Blu Technology AR3 or the hoses, the disconnects, everything that they have, I've got a link down in the description, discount code for you, so you can get a discount on your next purchase there at Blu Technology. Go Blue! Oh. You know what, guys? I think this is the way it goes. Yeah, this is the way it goes. Now you got your ports hanging that way. So then zip her up. Then you get your hands and your carrying strap. All right, so basically that's it. Fold that down in there if you want. And you got one on one side, one on the other side. You can get to the top. From here, you can see which way your flow is. So coming in here, going out. There's actually arrows inside on the unit itself that shows your flow. So it's nice you can get to that. And you got your space here that take your hose, stick it in there, see if it'll fit. See if it'll fit. I bet you we can get it to fit. Okay, so now you've got your 25-foot hose and your 3-stage AR3 filtration system in there. That's pretty nice. It's got a really nice bag to go with it. I like it. All right, we're gonna, oh, you know what? I'm gonna take this. Let me see if there's any more hidden compartments out here. I don't see any more hidden compartments, but we can just drop that right in there. Now she's all zipped up again. She's ready. She's ready to go get hooked up. So we're going to go over there on the other side of the camper. We're going to turn off the water, relieve some pressure, and then we'll disconnect and connect. And we'll be back. All right, I got the hose all strung out, the new stainless steel hose. And obviously it came with the quick disconnect, which I installed right on my pressure regulator. So now you just take this and you're done, just like that. Now we'll go over to the other side, and I've already got this hooked up to the inlet of the 3-stage filter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on the water, and I'm going to flush this out. So we're gonna set you right here, And I'm gonna turn on the water. We're just gonna flush it. We're just gonna flush this for, I don't know, maybe a minute or so. I know it's got charcoal in it or something, and you should always, you know, flush them first. So we're letting it flush. Alrighty, we got everything hooked up all the way with our 25-foot stainless steel hose going into the inlet of the 3-stage Blu Technology AR3. Comes out, and then right now it's going into this on-the-go water softener, and then it goes up and into the camper. So now we just have to test the water and see how our pressure is. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. That's pretty much brand new. It's a brand new 3-stage. I think it's a knockoff. I think it's a Clear Source knockoff from Vivor. Worked great. Just wanted to go Blu Technology and get all the nice connectors and everything that goes with it. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any of this Blu Technology filtration system, whether it be the AR3 3-stage water filters or their brand new water softener with the smart cap, that's coming, I believe, Thursday. So we'll be swapping out the on-the-go water softener for the Blu Technology water softener with the smart cap. And we'll go through that one when that one comes in. But for right now, we're going to call it, and all's good.